Yo ninjas, and Kaio, and I'm here with Lily again. 3 or 4 months ago, she learned one round of flare. Have you practiced the flare again?
No.
Oh. Okay.
My Vaccinal standard kept getting inflamed and I had to prioritize ballet contemporary training.
Today she's gonna practice the flare again after 3 or 4 months. We're gonna start from the exercises. Let's test your acid first. Can you hold it longer?
It hurts.
So let's test directly the flare with bent legs by starting from this position and then ending up in this position here. Whoa! Yeah. How do you feel?
Alright.
Whoa!
Hello, Papa.
Now you can try it with straight legs. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Try a little bit slowly first, then if you feel comfortable, try to push and kick more. Use more momentum. Yes! Try a little bit stronger now. Yeah! How do you feel?
Alright.
Whoa, nice! Yes, this first round is very good actually. You wanna try the second round or 1.5 round maybe?
Can I stop at the back or do I have to do it continuously?
If you can do it continuously, it would be better. When you are right here, you try to slide and slide forward.
Okay.
You don't have to do it perfectly and you don't have to do it clean at first. You can stop, but then you can make it cleaner and wider. Okay. Now you were waiting too long on the first arm here. So from here you were waiting here and then leaning this arm. Instead, try to be faster and lean this hand not so far, not here, but a little bit closer, so you can move the weight easier. Because if it's too far, if it's here, it's very hard to move the weight. Yes. Yeah. Try also to use the hips to make the movement wider. Your hips are too low, like here. Instead, you have to push them up. And from here, turn and still push the hips high. Yeah, better. The left arm was too far away. Leaning this arm closer is more important than thinking about the hips. So if you cannot think about both things at the same time, fix the hand position first. After fixing this, fix the hips. Because you can still do a flare if your hips is low, but you cannot do a flare if your hands are too wide. Yes. Yes, very good. Hard, but try to think about the hands and the hips at the same time, okay? And try to do one round of flare. Don't think about doing the second one. Try only one round, but very clean and powerful. Push your hips, think about your hands, and kick your legs. Arms a little bit too wide. If you want to keep practicing the flare, focus on the hands position first, then the hips, and then trying to continue and doing multiple rounds. I'm actually surprised because you can still do one round pretty good, like the last time, even if you haven't practiced. If you want to practice the flare, you should work a little bit on your strength. Next time, she's gonna try to learn the windmill. Next time she's gonna try to learn the windmill, but I would be very curious to teach her the air flare.
Yes, please!
But it will take long time, so maybe I will teach her exercises first, and when I think she's gonna be ready, it would be very cool to make an air flare video.
Yes, please.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time with a new video. Yo ninjas!